tool on this RSQ3. Thief does a relay attack, clones the key, goes to start the vehicle. It's going to start and switch off. As you can see, unable to drive it away. Comes up with a load of faults. If the customer wants to drive it, foot off the brake, tap the ignition on, go through a push sequence of their choosing. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Wait for a double flash. Now foot on the brake, start the vehicle. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 028 212 7393. We're at Immobiliser Fit. Also on this, it has a service mode, so if we press the driver's window 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we get 5 flashes. That means it's now in service mode. So if someone tries to start it while it's in service mode, it's just going to be a normal vehicle, so Audi are not going to know there's anything fitted to it, and they can drive it around and work on it as they need to. Our number's 028 212 7393. Thanks for watching.